Hey everyone, today we are altering the top of this maxi dress with some simple stitches. Let's get started. So this middle part of the top, we're going to bring it in, and then both sides here, like right under my armpits basically. It's like a little extra fabric. The rest of the dress fit great. It was just like maybe weirdly stretched out on the top bodice part here. So we're just going to bring those three pieces in. So what I did was I put the dress on inside out, and you can see those purple headed pins are in there where I just cinched the fabric together and put a pin in it and then very carefully took it off. So I'm starting with one of the sides, and what I'm doing is I'm going to do a little whip stitch at the start to get the thread in there and secured. And that's just like putting my pin or my needle into one side, going through and then pulling back around and doing that a few times. And then I'm going to go down the length of the pin in what is called, I think, a backstitch. I am not a seamstress. This is one of like 2 alterations I've ever done in my life. But it's really, really simple. So, don't be discouraged if you find like, a really cute dress in a store for like $5, which this was. But there's like, it just fits like a tiny, tiny bit wonky because you can totally fix it in just a few minutes. So I'm just going down the side here, as you can see, and I just do this exact same thing for each of my 3 pins where I want to take it in. And I'm ending this, there you go, ending it with another whip stitch on the edge, or around the bottom. And you can see here that I'm all done and all of those like gaps are gone and cinched up, and it fits great. Happy sewing!